vegetable oil. Okay, so you can use peanut oil if you like. I am just going to be using, like I said, just regular vegetable oil. And guys, what you want to do is, I get a lot of comments about how golden brown what I cook turns out. The key is to make sure that you have your food heated to temperature, that you have your oil heated to temperature. So I've got a thermometer here that I am going to be using, and that is going to let me know when my oil has heated to 350 degrees. So while we are waiting for that oil to heat, we're going to go ahead and get our ingredients ready. So what I have here is I've got some beautiful shrimp. Uh-oh, I'm not putting it in the, there we go. Okay, I've got some beautiful shrimp here. This is colossal size shrimp, but you can use whatever size you want, okay? They've already been peeled and deveined. The next thing that I have here is I have 2 eggs. I've already whisked those together. I've got some evaporated milk. And as always, I will make sure that I link the amounts on the screen so that you are creating exactly what I am creating. So I'm going to go ahead and put the evaporated milk in with the egg and whisk that together. This doesn't take long to create, guys. It's very flavorful. I've got some self-rising flour, and I have this already measured out. I'm going to move the milk and the egg mixture out of the way for now. I've got some paprika. I've got some garlic salt. I've got some ground black pepper. I have already measured that out, and I'm going to whisk that in with the flour. Get that nice and evenly distributed in your flour mixture. So in small batches, what you're going to do is you're going to take your shrimp, you're going to add it in to the egg mixture, then you're going to coat it in the flour. So what I'm going to do now, I've got these few shrimp. I'm going to go ahead and just throw them in the flour mixture. Okay, and just lightly coat. Okay, just throw it in there. Now some people use a bag. There is a device that you can buy on Amazon, probably Walmart too, that helps you with this, but I just go old school and use my hands in a bowl. Okay, so now that we have a few of those shrimp coated, we'll do a couple more. Let's check our temperature over here. We don't want to get it too hot. Okay, so these are the last 2 that we had in our flour mixture, and I am going to give the ones that we prepared already, I'm going to give them a try. You know what? Let's try it without the seasoning first. I'm going to cut into it so y'all can see that it is cooked all the way. Okay, it's cooked. All right. Ooh, that's hot. That's good. That's really good, guys. Got a nice, beautiful crunch to it. It's not so heavily breaded that you can't find the shrimp in there. You ever been to different restaurants and they put so much breading on it that you can't find the shrimp in there? That's good. That's really good. All right, let's go ahead and pull these out of the oil as well. Woo. Don't burn yourself, guys. All right, that is Calypso. I'm sorry, not Calypso. Calabash Shrimp, guys. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next recipe video. Please, please, please smash that like and subscribe button.